In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the welcome email for your PremiumPress theme. So let's get started. Firstly, log into the admin area of your WordPress website. We click on PremiumPress, we click on email, and the welcome and registration email is stored under the system emails. Now from this page we have two options. We have user emails, which are sent to the users, and if you scroll to the bottom we have admin emails, which is obviously sent to the website admin. So the registration is the first one here. So we have new user registration, and this is sent to the user when they join your website. To send this email we have three options. Firstly, we have to turn it on. We can then go ahead and edit the email, and then we can go ahead and test it. So the first thing we would do is turn it on. We would click on edit, change any of the description, content title, and obviously main email content to anything you'd like to say. And you'll notice within the email we have what we call shortcodes, and we've listed these at the bottom, email shortcodes. And all of the shortcodes use brackets. So as you can see, open bracket, a shortcode name, close bracket. And when the email is sent by the system, all the shortcodes within your email will be changed to the actual live content that is submitted by the user. So let's give you an example. If you click on email shortcodes, you can see a list of all the existing shortcodes for your website. And these may vary depending upon the theme and obviously any content you've added to your website. So if I wanted to add the username, as you can see here, username, I can either manually type in open bracket, username, close bracket, or if I click on the shortcode username, it will add it to the bottom of the email. I can then copy and then paste it into the area that I would like the shortcode to be displayed. Now with WordPress, we have a visual editor and a text editor. The visual editor obviously allows you to visually type it in any of the details you want, and the text editor gives you more options to add custom HTML, which can also be sent when sending emails. So just a quick recap, we have user emails. So this is the user email. Obviously we have the email title and the email content. Now if I hide this and scroll to the bottom, we also have the admin email, which is sent to the website owner. So here we again, you turn it on to make sure the email is sent. We can then edit the email, and then if we wanted to, we can test the email. So again, with the same setup for the admin, we would then change the title. So we've got a default title here, any of the content, and should you want to add any extra elements, you can use the email shortcodes. Now it's worth noting that when you test the email, that only live content will be sent to the test email. So for example, the username, email and password obviously will not be sent during a test email because there is no username entered during the test process. So only use the test email options when testing to make sure you can receive the email correctly.